In various material processing fields, bevel cutting tools are indispensable and practical instruments, especially for working with complex structural materials such as grey cardboard, soft PVC sheets, K-board, and vertical corrugated board. Today I would like to introduce you to bevel cutting tool. These are the three knife holders we currently use most frequently, each designed for cutting materials of different thicknesses and hardness. As you can see, the cutting angle can be adjusted. We have various cutting angles which cater to a wide range of cutting needs. Whether it's a straight line cutting or angle shaping, this tool handles it with ease. The bevel cutting tool is compatible with various types of blades, each suited for different materials or hardness levels. Next, we'll demonstrate how to install and remove the tool and blades. Before starting, make sure the tool is in a safe state to avoid injury. Align the knife holder with the installed blade to the holder sleeve, slap it into the slot, and tighten the screws after securing it. This ensures it remains stable and does not loosen during the cutting process. Like this, the installation of bevel cutting tool and blade is complete. To remove the tool, insert the hex key into the center of the tool to locate the screw. Turn the screw counterclockwise to loosen it, then remove the tool holder. That's the installation process of the bevel cutting tool. In the next part, we'll learn how to debug the bevel cutting tool.